So welcome to TechRocker. You're watching this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and use stock Android Pixel-like notification panel in your any device. Maybe you're using Xiaomi or Samsung UI, the MIUI, and you don't like your MIUI style notification panel, then you can use this in your device. This contains all the features that you want, that you're searching for. Now you have the dark mode, and you can also change the color of it. Various customization are available in it, and this will consume less RAM and pretty smooth. Here you can see. So if you want this, just keep watching this video. So yeah, you can see now currently I have the MIUI style. So just open the Play Store and search for the Power Shade notification panel and quick settings. So you can also join the beta for the more features. So after installing it, just open it, and now the some permission work. Just enable all the permission, go to the more download service in the accessibility settings and enable the Power Shade. That is this option, and enable the accessibility settings of the Power Shade app. Enable the write permission, other permission, enable all the permission to work in the background, and this will interrupt, no interrupt. And also give the permission of the Wi-Fi, so this will not ask you. So this app is really safe, so you can enable the permission and enable the notification access, so you can use the heads up pan notification type. And this saying the MIUI 11, so you have to disable the battery optimization and lock this app in the recent menu. So here you can see the pretty smooth animation, really nice. Here you can see the brightness level, and just check out, this is like stock Android. You can also change the icon type of it, like circle, dotted circle, and other. I suggest use the by default. So here you can see some, only few are the pro. You don't need to purchase a pro version, I guess. But if you want to increase the rows and increase the number of tiles and tiles create, then you have to purchase the pro version. But the 3x3 is really nice, and you don't want to interrupt this. And enable the always show footer, transparent top status bar, shift battery down, circular battery indicator. So maybe all functions will not work on your device, but you can enable the show seconds in the clock. So in the colors, you can also customize the colors of it. So currently enable the live blur. So you can see while opening notification panel, you will not see the data, you will not see the screen. So decrease the amount of blur, and now that there's no transparency. So check out what's suitable for you, and if you really need or not, then you can also select the wallpaper. And I'm going to select a color that is a purple, and that looks really nice. The red color is for the brightness level. Yeah, that's nice. Purple and the red. You can see the age triggers. If you need, then you can enable, and this is the heads up. And don't enable heads up because this is really not optimized really well. And you can also create a backup and restore it. So if you're changing or uninstalling this app, you can take a backup of yours. You can see the white mode, day mode. You can see that looks really nice. And you can also edit it and increase the number of tiles additional. So you can see the performance of it, like really nice, no lag in it, and must lock this, so you will not clear in the RAM boot. So here you can see. That's it for now. So thanks for watching. Hope you really liked this video, and if you really enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon if you want more. Yeah.